welcome to the Information Corner with Sandile Ndlovu. Today we are talking about the data warehouse. And to help me with that, I have Snati Majola, Sandile Ndlovu, and last but not least, Ntobeni Shong. Probably asking yourself, what is the data warehouse? Well, the data warehouse is a database used for analyzing and reporting. It stores data that helps the senior management use the trends of reports to make decisions. Well, I have questions that need to be answered. Firstly, what type of data is stored in the data warehouse? And to help with that is Nkosnati.
We have historical data, which is the data from several years, and we have derived data, which is the data that is generated from the existing data, and we have metadata, which is the data that describes data. Thank you.
So much data about data. I guess I'm talking about metadata. Okay, now you want to know what are the characteristics of this data warehouse? How can you know it's a data warehouse? To help us with that, we have
the characteristics of data warehouse is subject-oriented, integrated, time-variant, and non-volatile. Starting with subject-oriented, it consists of all sorts of data that can give answers to diverse questions. Integrated, centralized, holds data from different departments of an organization. And time-variant, it means that the data grows up in the data warehouse as the time grows up. And non-volatile means that once the data is entered into the data warehouse, it cannot be deleted or removed.
Data that stays there all the time? Wow, that's great. But is that an advantage or disadvantage? Oh wait, let's learn more about the advantages and disadvantages with Sandling.
Starting with the disadvantages. In data warehouse, it maintains data history. It extracts data so that it makes sense to business users, finds threats, predict future projections, and then the senior management can make decisions based on those threats. Disadvantages. Expensive, it takes a long time to implement. Data owners lose control over their data. Debt raising, security, privacy, and ownership issues. It is also difficult to accommodate changes to data types, data schema, and queries. That would be all for advantages and disadvantages.
We have learned an awful lot about the data warehouse today, but it's probably still unclear how it happens. Well, stay tuned and watch this video.